Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to delete TikTok app on Android. Follow along. This tutorial will be for the Android users, so it may or may not work for iOS or Windows phones. So here I have my phone, and as you can see, I have the TikTok app installed. There are multiple ways to delete an app. Firstly, you can just press and hold your TikTok icon from the menu, and it will show you the uninstall option. Click Yes, and the app will be uninstalled. However, if you don't have this option, what you need to do is go to the settings and locate the apps. Open it and you will see all the apps in your phone arranged in an alphabetic order. Scroll down until you find TikTok and click on it. Once it is open, you can see the uninstall option on the bottom bar. Click on it and press OK, and your TikTok will be uninstalled. So, this is how to delete TikTok app on Android.